Andrew, please tell me we are not having snow here. I am not prepared for that.
No, I mean, there's a chance we could see a few flakes on next Monday, but it doesn't look
flakes
like
are fine as long as they don't stay.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it will really cause any major impacts. But we do have a lot of rain to talk about today, and certainly no snow for our day today. Too warm for that. Latest look at live Viper radar. We continue to see these scattered showers and some thunderstorms embedded within the activity as well. We've got one cell that's moving into the Marshall area in the next half hour. A lot of these storms are moving pretty quick and strengthening quickly as well. And we can tell by the lightning count going up here recently with some of these showers and thunderstorms. Additional activity out in Van Zant and Henderson County, moving into northwest Smith County and central Wood County as well. Down at the DP Texas, we probably have the most intense thunderstorms right now. We're tracking this one cell in southern Angelina County, maybe some small hail associated with it. Half-inch hail with this cell that's moving into parts of Houston and Trinity County. And really large hail and damaging wind gusts going to be the primary severe weather concern, as most of these storms stay pretty elevated in nature. But if we can't get a storm that's rooted at the surface, then we can't rule out a brief tornado. But right now, right above the ground, we've kind of got a warm layer of air that's called a temperature inversion, and that really limits the tornado threat overall. So we'll hope that stays. If not, then we can't rule out a brief tornado, but of course we'll keep an eye on it. Here's what Futurecast has for the remainder of the afternoon. By 3 p.m., we're still tracking some showers and thunderstorms out there. At that point, though, the severe weather threat's over for places like Athens, Tyler, Mineola, and Sulphur Springs, but it will continue in the Toledo Bend Reservoir area through the afternoon and evening, with the strongest activity likely moving through during the afternoon hours. By around 5, 6 o'clock, the heaviest of the rain's already starting to move out. We're going to see maybe a few wraparound showers during the overnight hours, mainly along the Louisiana state line, but for the most part, we're dry overnight, but it is going to turn cold. Temperatures are going to be in the middle 30s, which, of course, is not as cold as where we have been earlier this year, but it's the wind chill that's going to be the major factor here. At 7 o'clock in the morning on our Tuesday, Futurecast showing wind chill values between about 20 and 25 degrees. So in terms of what it feels like out there, this will be some of the coldest air we've seen this season, and colder what it will feel like than any air temperature that we saw in the entirety of last year. So it's going to be quite cold as you head out the door on your Tuesday morning. But then we warm up, well, just like that, heading into Wednesday and Thursday, where we could see upper 60s and even a few low 70s by the day on Thursday. But another powerful cold front will move in Thursday night, bringing a risk of stronger thunderstorms, but then a big cool down heading into the weekend. For many of us, it's a 3-day weekend with Martin Luther King Day, not not today, of course, but next Monday. And during that period and the few days after MLK Day, we will be watching for the potential for the coldest air of the season moving on in. Still too early to pinpoint how cold it will get, but to upper 10s and low 20s for morning lows, certainly not out of the realm of possibilities. But back to today, though, highs in the low 60s. Rain and storms are likely, and it is going to be windy even outside of any thunderstorms. For tonight, wind chill values again dropped between about 20 and 25 degrees during the early morning hours, so make sure you bundle up as you head out the door. Now, for your next 7 days, we are going to see those gusty winds for Tuesday and Wednesday as well. And then we see those nighttime thunderstorms Thursday into Friday. That will be our next round of potential severe weather. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website.